Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the mini experiments we are doing for today's class. Before you do these experiments at home, make sure you get parent permission. And remember that we are only using the ingredients that are on our instructions. So never mix any household cleaners with any of these items because it'll produce a gas that can be harmful. So first we are going to do our warm water and salt mixture. So this is water that I just got from my sink on hot. You can also put water in the microwave. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt to our warm water. And then I'm gonna stir until it is dissolved. And then once that salt is dissolved, you're gonna observe this mixture and tell me what kind of change is occurring. Is this a physical change or is it a chemical change? All right, so now our salt is dissolved. So you're going to observe this mixture and say if it is a physical change or a chemical change. Now for our next one, we are going to be doing vinegar and baking soda. But if you don't have vinegar, you can use water for this reaction. So first, I'm going to use a different measuring cup for the vinegar. This is a half cup, but we're doing a quarter cup of vinegar. So I'm only going to fill this up about halfway. All right, but I'm gonna add our baking soda first. So we have a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna add that to our bowl. And then whenever I add this vinegar, make sure you pay close attention to the reaction that is occurring and tell me if it's physical or chemical. So observe that reaction. Tell me if it is a physical change or a chemical change that is occurring. Remember, when you're mixing these things together, don't get too close. If you ever need to smell something, make sure you waft it. Don't inhale it directly. And then our next one, if you don't have vinegar, we're gonna do some water again. So now that this is cooled down, I'm gonna get some cool water from my sink right here. All right, so we have about a quarter cup of water here, and I'm going to again add the baking soda first. So we have a teaspoon of baking soda going in this bowl. And then I'm gonna add our water. So remember, pay close attention and tell me what you observe from this reaction. And a good way to observe this one is you're gonna wanna feel. Is it getting colder? Is it getting warmer? What kind of reaction is occurring here? Is this gonna be physical or chemical? So I hope you all have fun doing these mini experiments and I look forward to seeing what you observe.